You're looking at a personal website, built in under 60 seconds. No coding, no design tools, just a resume. And the best part? It's completely free and fully open source. Meet Self.so, an AI-powered personal site builder that takes your resume or LinkedIn profile and turns it into a polished, shareable website. Let's talk about what's under the hood. Self uses Together.ai's LLM, currently powered by Qwen 2.572b, to intelligently parse your resume. It uses Clerk for login, Vercel for hosting, S3 for file storage, Redis for fast data access via Upstash, and Helicone for observability. All built with Next.js and Vercel's AI SDK. Here's how it works in real time. I logged into using Clerk, then grabbed a PDF of my resume directly from LinkedIn. I uploaded that resume to the platform. Behind the scenes, Self runs a safety scan using Llama Guard, sends my resume to the AI model, and extracts everything from job experience to skills and links in a perfectly structured Gesso format. Seconds later, boom, my personal site is ready. I can view it, navigate through dynamically generated routes, and even preview it live. But it doesn't stop there. Want to edit a section? You can. Change links? Done. Toggle themes? They're adding a Ghibli-style theme soon. And if you upload a new resume, it replaces the old one seamlessly. The roadmap includes switching to Llama 3.3, more error handling, better previews, and full edit modes for any part of the site. This isn't just a cool tool. It's redefining what it means to launch your online presence. For job seekers, freelancers, students, this could replace your portfolio, LinkedIn link, or even your resume file. Want to try it yourself? Head over to https://self.so, sign in, and upload your resume. That's it. You'll have a clean, responsive personal site in under a minute. If this blew your mind even a little, smash that like button, share this with someone looking to level up their online presence, and make sure you're subscribed for more AI tools that change the game. Because the next era of personal branding just got automated.